Honey, you nasty. We're gonna get you cleaned up. It's summertime. Oh boy. Somehow the trunk is not as dirty, but the patina hides it. We're gonna make it good. Oh, looking so much better already. Wow. I'm sorry, hon. This is what happens when you live in the country. You live in the country and you don't have a fully enclosed garage. It's only 3 walls and a roof. And a leaky roof at that. Do what we can. Much better. Lovely bucket of suds. She's all done with the rinse. Lather it up and spray back off. Cycle. And just needs to be dried. This is part of the patina. It was in an accident at some point in its life, and whatever body shop replaced the front fender sucks. But it is what it is. Another testament of its past life. This is pretty nicely dented in. But otherwise, it's just surface deep. 67 Ford Galaxy 500 convertible. 390. I built the engine myself. Father-son project. Cheers. Thanks for watching. Nice sunset.